Hey everyone, it's Rolando Gill with your Utah real estate market update for the week of March 9th, 26. And what we're doing right now is what I'd like to call the spring thaw. Buyer activity is rising and inventory is surging, and we're moving into a much more balanced market as we head into the spring season. Utah currently has 11,000 homes for sale, which is up from earlier this year, obviously, and it's 11.6% higher than last year. Month supply has climbed to around 4.5 months from the 3.6 months a year ago. This means that we're moving closer to a balanced market where buyers and sellers have more equal negotiating power. New listings are also increasing. They're up 8.6% year over year, which shows that more sellers are coming off of the sidelines. Now, here's a really important signal. Under contracts are up 22% year over year, which is a strong leading indicator for the market. In fact, we saw 931 homes go under contract this week, the highest number this year so far. Meanwhile, closed sales are still a lagging indicator to the activity that's going on over here. These happen 4 to 6 weeks after these happen. So we're going to start seeing that. We are also seeing, because we're moving into a spring market, that sellers are much more motivated to get their properties sold, and they're starting to take a few more price reductions. It's a little bit higher than it was, but not much. Sellers are still receiving about 96% of their original list price. Homes are taking 78 days to sell. You see that that's ticking down. So that's a good sign. We're taking, but 78 days, a balanced market should be 3 to 6 months. 78 days is still a really fast market. Utah market summary. Buyers are entering the market nearly 3 times faster than new sellers are listing. Pending sales are up 22% year over year. The national summary, what we're seeing is that rates are holding steady. They're at 6.14 with 10-year at 4.13. There's a softer jobs report, which helped absorb what could have been a disaster with the Iran war going on. Weekly pendings are up. Active inventory is up. New listings are up. Purchase apps. This is the one that I really like looking at. It's 10% year over year average in the last 3 weeks. So every week in 2026 has been a positive week. So here's the big takeaway this week. Buyer demand is accelerating, inventory is rising, and prices are holding steady. That's the definition of a healthy, balanced market. If you're thinking about buying or selling this year, this spring could offer you some great opportunities. Thanks for watching. If you want to know what's happening in your zip code, please drop it in the comments, and I'm happy to help.